May nagbago ba sa'yo? One time we were looking for drinks and we had iced tea in mind. So we went to a shop at nagulat ako. Parang umiilaw yung iced tea. Sa totoo lang, akala ko yung sago yung umiilaw. Parang bago sa paningin ko. Yun pala, may ilaw sa ilalim ng cup at may switch pa. Pero ang ganda tingnan. Parang umiilaw yung drink. It's like an innovation. Nakakatuwa. Para sa akin, bago siya. So yung tanong ko sa'yo, what's new with you? What are you doing differently with your life? Minsan nagre-reklamo tayo na paulit-ulit na lang ang nangyayari sa atin. It's like we're in a vicious cycle na parang we keep making the same mistakes and it's as if nothing has really changed. It's like you're stuck. But we have to rethink our situation. Baka wala tayong ginawang bago or wala tayong binago sa ating sarili. Pag-usapan natin ang pagbabago. There's a Greek word called metanoia or a change of mind. Doon talaga nagsisimula ang pagbabago. Baguhin natin ang ating pag-iisip. Ito rin ay tinatawag na paradigm shift. A paradigm is our current way of thinking. It's what we're used to, and it's what we believe that works for us. Pero in order for new things to happen in your life, you have to have a new way of thinking. Kailangan may baguhin tayo. When it comes to our attitude, alam natin may kailangan tayong baguhin dyan. Somehow you might want to become more positive in your outlook and seek out the solutions instead of always complaining about life. When it comes to our bad habits at minsan bisyo, yun yung kailangan talaga tanggalin. Ang mahirap lang dyan, those habits are actually now addiction. It may be a habitual sin, yung paulit-ulit nating ginagawa na hindi nakakabuti sa atin. And you know what? Kung tayo lang, kung willpower lang natin, sana matagal na nagbago. But we have to admit that we need God's grace to change. And we need to surrender and adopt to a new way of thinking, which is to think as Christ thinks. Nung bata pa ako, merong sikat na wristband at ang nakalagay WWJD. What would Jesus do? And I think that's the start of our paradigm shift. In everything we do, isipin natin, gagawin ba ni Kristo ito? Or ano kayang gagawin ni Kristo sa sitwasyong ito? And if we do that, things will change for the better. And by God's grace, magbabago din tayo at maging katulad ni Lord. Sana yun yung hangad mo, to be like Christ, para magsilbing bagong ilaw sa paligid mo at sa mundo.